5 things you should never do after eating, because it can be very dangerous for your health. There are certain things you should never do after eating. It doesn't matter if I give you a lot of temptation, this can put you at great risk. After eating you go to bed and take a nap. But this is a big mistake you should never do. In this video, I will share the 5 things you should never do after eating. Number 1. You should never smoke after eating. Smoking is terrible for your health. You already smoke, and you never stop smoking after eat. Smoking after eating is 10 times worse than smoking any other time. If you have to smoke a cigarette, wait at least a couple of hours. What if you smoke after eating? Too many people smoke after eating. Smoking after a meal increases chances of bowel and lung cancer. Number 2. Don't fall asleep immediately after eating whatever. You don't have to fall asleep immediately after a meal. When you go to bed, many digestive juices travel in the opposite direction to your esophagus, which hurts the inside of your esophagus. You have had a burning sensation in the chest. For avoid this problem, always do an activity that most like television, talking with friends and family, but don't sleep immediately after eating. Doctors and nutritionists tell us that wait 2 hours before going to sleep. If we decide to go to sleep immediately after eating, our digestion will be slower. So our body remains active and focused to do digestion. So we will need our body to relax after eating. Number 3. Do not drink hot infusions or teas after eating. This is a controversial topic. Opinions are conflicting about tea consumption just after meals. According to some studies, the tea contains phenolic compounds that inhibit absorption of iron into the body. By so much drinking tea right after meals, it is not recommended. However, some studies claim that drinking tea helps digestion by reducing possibilities of gas formation. In case you want to go with the latter, you should opt for green tea or ginger tea after your meals. Number 4. Don't eat fruit after eating. The fresh fruits are the healthier foods, but there is a right time you should eating them. Fruits have sugars that is easily digested, but when consumed after a meal tend to accumulate with food in the digestive tract. It may not be digested properly. The nutrients may not be absorbed properly. You need to leave a gap of at least 30 minutes between a meal and a fruit snack. Number 5. You don't shower after eating. You should know our body requires optimal blood circulation for all the biological functions. They perform when you shower right after food. The blood tends to rush towards the skin to regulate the temperature of the body, which often creates problems in digestion. You should wait at least half hour after meal in case you need to take a shower. If you have something what to add, please share it with us in the comment section. Like this video and send the link to your relatives and your best friends, so they know the 5 things what not to do after eating. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe. Remember, life always is better after taking care of your health.